Welcome back everyone to Octavia Beauty, and I am Octavia. Today we are about to do a very beautiful spring look. I love this eyeshadow look. It's a very peachy spring pinky type color with a very bold lip, and I will be using some new products. The first new product I will be using in this video is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. And this is supposed to be a full coverage foundation. So you guys, this shade is very much too light for me. So I was sent this by influencer, but inside the video you're gonna see how I corrected it, and you can't even tell no more, honey, that this had me looking like a zombie. I'm also going to be using the Natasha Denona Peak 5-pan eyeshadow palette to create this look. And I used the NYX Shine, one of the NYX Shine Loud Makeup Professional in the shade. I always have trouble finding these shade names on here. I think it's Life Goals. Yeah, I think it's Life Goals. And it's this beautiful pink, vibrant springtime shade. I love it. So yeah, let me stop talking and let's get into some makeup. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I got this cream from Influencer. They sent me this while I was on the road, so I wasn't able to make my video about it. So I am late to get into a lot of products. So this e.l.f. CC Cream is supposed to help you ditch your basic foundation. This is a color correcting cream and is the only product you need to achieve a natural looking complexion but with a full coverage. A multitasking dream cream infused with collagen, peptides, and something else that's known to plump and hydrate and smooth your appearance of your skin while protecting with SPF. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps. So this is definitely my first time using this. I definitely hope that this is my shade. And we're going to see what e.l.f. CC Cream is working with. So I'm going to apply 1 pump to the sponge. And let's see. Okay. This may be my color. It may work. It's definitely a little light. Got me looking a little pale. Okay, you guys can see that this shade is definitely a little light for me. It definitely has me looking a little pale. This side is the e.l.f. CC Cream. And I have these shades medium 375. And this is definitely too light for me. I look like a little ghost child, honey. But I'm going to see if I can make it work. So this side has the foundation. It definitely has very buildable coverage. That first pump didn't give me enough, so I went in with a second pump. So I probably end up using a total of 4 pumps on my face. And you know, normally I would probably mix this with another foundation, but I'm going to use this and we're going to bronze up and we're going to make this work. Because I mean, who are we if we are not a makeup channel if we cannot make this work? So I'm going to continue to go ahead and do the other half, and then we will move on. So to tone this down, I am going to go into my Urban Decay Powder Foundation in 70W. This was also sent to me to Influencer. I have an entire video dedicated to this powder foundation if you guys are interested in it. And so, yeah. So I'm just going to set my entire face with this to kind of calm down the tone to the CC cream. Okay, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Peak palette, and I received this from the Boxy Charm, and it has 5 shades. So we're going to go into the deepest shade here, which is this little brown. Okay, and we're just going to take this and blend it out. Now I want to go into this pink shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is the white creamy type of shade. And pack it on. Okay, so now take the brush that we used, the pink, don't add any more extra, and just go right up into here and blend it all out. Blend it all together. There. Look how beautiful that is. It's beautiful. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my top liner and put my mascara on off camera, but I'm going to keep this, I think, e.l.f. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is a lighter shade, so this is going to help cancel out some of that color. And we got to thick it on, so it's going to help us. Okay. And we're gonna blend it out. So I'm going in with my Patrick Star translucent powder. So I'm going to take the brush that we had that deeper pink shade on. This shade right here. And I'm going to put this shade on the lower lash line. Okay, take my powder brush, add a little bit more of the Urban Decay powder. And swoop, swoop. Oh wait.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, and I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
going to be concluding this video. At the end of my videos, I always give you guys a review of the new products I use. So the first new product that I used was the CC cream. You guys could definitely tell that this shade was definitely too light for me, and that's not influencer's fault. I think it's my fault because I picked the shade. It's hard picking out shades online, but however, I made this shade work. You guys can see it looks like my skin but better, okay? Even though it started out looking like a little bit of a mess. Now, the coverage on this is not what I would say full coverage, but I definitely think it has buildable coverage. I can see my skin through this. I can see it up close. You guys probably can't see it on camera. So I definitely think it has a buildable coverage, and it says it's a natural finish. I love the fact that it has these broad spectrum SPF sunscreen in it, so that's a plus bonus. Anything has SPF. My thoughts on this is that it's not a very full coverage. It is a very buildable coverage, although it does work very nice. I don't know, I would have to, first impressions, I like it. It's okay. Just the wrong shade for me. So if I was someone buying this on the street, would I buy this? Absolutely. It's a drugstore product. It probably don't even cost that much. I don't know how much it costs. But I do think that it's worth buying if you're on the market for it. But this is supposed to be full coverage, but it's a buildable coverage in my opinion. The next product I used was the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. I think this was given to me in a boxy charm, or either I purchased it on the boxy charm sale thing. I don't get boxy anymore. This isn't my favorite Natasha Denona palette. You know, it's Natasha Denona, but I don't know, it felt a little more dusty, a little bit more chalky. The mattes wasn't just as creamy as I like it, but it was very easy to blend. It was very pigmented. My eyeshadow came out bomb, so I'm happy with it. But the formula to me felt a little different than the amazing Natasha Denona formula that I like to use. But however, I do feel like this palette was a good palette, and if you can find this on sale, if you're interested in it, I definitely think it's worth the money. The next product I use, you guys have seen me use the Shine Loud NYX lipsticks before. This is the transfer proof one. It's been all over TikTok, so I love this color. I think this color is very vibrant, springy type color. It brought my look together, honey. I feel like, you know, with the eyes and the lips, I feel like she cute or whatever. It definitely gives you that bold pinky type shade. If you want to use the shade for spring or summer, I definitely think you can. It's a very wearable shade. You know, I love it. I think I look super gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you give me a good old thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys leave me some good old comments in the comment section. And follow your girl on Instagram, because I'm always posting pictures, sales, deals, just finds, just random stuff on my Instagram. So make sure you follow your girl on Instagram. It is linked. It will be in the description box as always. Octavia Beauty is my Instagram handle. So yeah, find me on Instagram, and I will see you guys later.